In this video, I'm going to be sharing my 6 favorite lipsticks and lip liners. So if you are a lipstick lover or you are on the hunt for a new lipstick, then this video is for you. Hello fabulous ladies, and warm welcome to all the viewers joining us today. I'm thrilled to have you here on my channel where we embrace fashion, style, beauty, lifestyle, and all things fabulous. Well, if you're new, I'm Bridgette, your go-to guide for all things fabulous in your 40s and beyond. I believe that every woman, regardless of their age, size, or budget, has the potential to look stylish and feel confident. Fashion is all about expressing your unique personality and embracing your individuality. To those just passing by, you have just stumbled upon a stylish corner of the internet. And to my regular viewers, it's always a pleasure to have you back here for another fabulous and stylish journey together. Today, I'm excited to share with you my favorite MAC lipsticks and lip liners. MAC has such an amazing range of products, and I can't wait to show you my top picks. And please note, this video is not sponsored. I love MAC products. I am a MAC makeup lady. I shared the reasons why I love the brand in one of my previous Get Ready With Me videos. I'll link the video somewhere on the screen in case you want to go and watch it. Make sure to stay tuned until the end, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with all your beauty loving friends. Alright, let's dive right in. I'll start with the lipsticks and then we'll move on to the lip liners. First up is Fashion Legacy. Now this is a vibrant red with a matte finish and it's perfect for making a statement. Let me show you a swatch. This is what it looks like. I'm also going to test all the lipsticks on my lips later in the video. I love this lipstick because it is matte yet not too drying, and then also because it does not move. Next we have Twig. Now this is a beautiful soft brown pinkish shade that is perfect for everyday wear. It is one of those shades that you can wear with almost any look, and this one is in a satin finish. Let me show you a swatch. This is it. Moving on to Well, this is another favorite of mine, and this is a Dirty Rose shade with a matte finish, and this is what it looks like. And it's a bit darker than Twig, but with a sophisticated vibe. Let me show you a swatch. Can you see the difference? This is what it looks like. So in the middle is Twig and this is Well. They look similar, but they're different. Twig has got a pinkish undertone, and then Well has got a brownish undertone. So let's just say that Well is a dirtier shade of Twig. Up close, that's what they look like. Then we have Velvet Teddy, and this is probably one of MAC's most famous shades, and this is a deep tone beige, also with a matte finish. It is super versatile and looks great on most skin tones. Let me show you a swatch. There it is, this one. This is the one. Here is a close-up of all the lipsticks that I've done so far. So the difference between these 3 nude lipsticks is this one is lighter than the previous 2. I hope you can see this clearly. Now for a pop of color, I have Breathing Fire. This is a bright fuchsia pink that really stands out. And it is perfect for those days when you want to add a bit of fun to your look. And let me show you a swatch as well. This is Breathing Fire. So it's a bright fuchsia pink. So this is what it looks like close up in comparison to the other 4. Last but not least is Lady Danger. This is a vivid and bright coral red with a matte finish. It gives that instant glam look. Let me show you the swatch. So as you can see, this one is a brighter shade of red than the first one that I showed you. This one, Fashion Legacy, and this one, Lady Danger. This one is bold and vibrant, and then this one is brighter and corally. Now let us move on to lip liners. Lip liners are essential for defining your lips and making your lipstick last longer. And first we have Cherry, which is a vibrant red and is perfect for pairing with any red lipstick. And then next I have More to Love, which is a bright fuchsia pink, and I love to pair this with Breathing Fire. Then we have Red. This is a classic red that can be paired with many different red lipsticks, including Lady Danger. And then finally we have Chestnut, and this is a deep brown lip liner that is perfect for defining your lips when you're wearing a nude lipstick or a brown lipstick like Twig or Velvet Teddy. Now let us do a quick application demo. I'll show you how I pair these lipsticks and lip liners. And right now on my lips I have the Chestnut lip liner, and I also have the lip oil from Discam, the Essence lip oil from Discam. So give me a minute and let me remove it. Yeah. So I'll line my lips again. Right. And then Twig. And there you have it. That is Twig lipstick and Chestnut lip liner. Just look at how it blends with the pink top that I'm wearing. How gorgeous. So tell me, is this something that you could wear? And this, I like to wear this when I want to blend in. So my nude shades are for blending in. This is Twig. Let us move on to Well. Let me remove this. I'll line my lips again with Chestnut. And then Well. Can you see the difference with the previous one? And then usually for my nude lipsticks, I then top it off with this MAC lip gloss. But then because today I just want to show you what the lipsticks look like, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna use that today. Let's just keep it simple with the lipsticks. So this is a dirty rose shade. And that's it for Well. Moving on to the next one, which is Velvet Teddy. And now my lips are getting dry because I keep applying lipstick and removing it. My lips are getting dry. Let me moisturize. And here I'm using a lip balm from Estee Lauder. This one, the pink one. And so you see how versatile this chestnut is. You can actually use it with any lip color, almost any. So this chestnut lip liner is a very good one. And if you are someone who cannot invest in a lot of lip liners, then I suggest you get chestnut. You'll be able to pair it with a lot of lipsticks. And then now I'm using Velvet Teddy. And there you go. This is Velvet Teddy. Versatile. What do you think about Velvet Teddy? Do you think you can pull this off? And also tell me what kind of lip colors, what kind of lipstick do you like? And for me, as you can see from this video, that I love a lot of reds, and I also love a lot of nudes. And in fact, one person who inspired me to like nude lipstick is Lerato Kanyako. Lerato Kanyako knows how to rock a nude lipstick. She's the one who influenced me. So yeah, red and nudes, those are my go-to lipsticks. And then once in a while I can rock a bold pink, I can rock the purples, I can rock the deep shades, but on a day-to-day basis it's either I'm wearing red or I'm wearing a nude. And then also, ladies, let me know if you would want to see my full lipstick collection, because this is not my entire lipstick collection. I have more. But then in order to make this video very short, I had to choose a few. So I had to pick these 6 for this video, but I have more. I have more colors and I have more textures. So let me know if you would want to see my full lipstick collection or even a full makeup collection. So that is Velvet Teddy. Let me remove it and then we'll move on to the next one. And now let us move on to Lady Danger. And Lady Danger, I'm going to pair it with red. This is such a beautiful combo. Now line my lips again. And the difference between red and cherry, this is the difference. Cherry is deeper and then red is brighter. So here I'm using red. It's a classic red. And still, if I wanted, I could still use cherry. It will still work on Lady Danger. Lady Danger. Would you wear red? Tell me what you think about red lipsticks. For me, I can't live without red. I think red is such a glamorous color. I can safely say red is my signature color. Red or nude, or is it red alone? I'm not so sure, but whatever it is, red is somewhere, it's ranking somewhere at the top of the list. Let us move on to the next one, which is Fashion Legacy. And let us compare the two. So this one is bright red, and then this is deeper and bolder than this one. I'll show you what it looks like. I'll moisturize my lips again. I'm going to pair Fashion Legacy with Cherry Lip Liner. So this is Fashion Legacy. Comparing it to the previous one, Lady Danger. Can you see the difference? This one is bolder and it makes a statement, and this one is brighter and it's orangey. It's an orange red. And then up next I have Breathing Fire, which is this bright fuchsia pink. And I'm going to pair this with More to Love. So they are similar, they look the same. So there is More to Love lip liner and the lipstick Breathing Fire. I also feel like this bright lipstick makes a statement as well. So if I want to make a statement with a lip color without wearing red, this is my go-to. And how do I look? Do you wear pink lipsticks? Which shade of pink lipsticks do you like? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my MAC lipsticks and lip liners. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite lipstick. And also let me know if you have any other MAC recommendations for me to try. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more beauty and fashion content. And share this video with all beauty lovers you know. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay stylish, stay fabulous. Bye.